into the cells where it belongs. This can lead to a less puffy appearance and more deeply hydrated skin. The best part about spinach is its versatility. You can toss a handful into your morning smoothie, add it to an omelette, use it as a base for a salad, or lightly saute it with some garlic as a side dish for dinner. Making a conscious effort to include a cup of spinach in your daily routine is one of the easiest and most effective things you can do to unlock cellular hydration. Of course, we can't talk about potassium without mentioning the banana. It's famous for a reason. Bananas are convenient, affordable, and a genuinely good source of potassium. They are the perfect on-the-go snack to help keep your electrolyte levels topped up. The potassium in a banana works just like in the other foods we've discussed, helping to power that sodium-potassium pump and usher water into your cells. Many athletes eat bananas to prevent muscle cramps, which are often a sign of electrolyte imbalance and dehydration. The same principle applies to your skin. When your skin cells are properly hydrated, they are healthier and more resilient. However, for those of us who are over 60, there's a small word of caution with bananas. They are also quite high in sugar. If you're managing your blood sugar levels or are pre-diabetic, you might not want to eat multiple bananas every day. A great strategy is to eat half a banana at a time, or to always pair it with a source of protein or healthy fat, like a handful of nuts or a spoonful of almond butter. This helps to slow down the absorption of the sugar and prevent a sharp spike in your blood glucose. So enjoy your bananas, but do so mindfully. They are a wonderful part of a hydration-focused diet, but they shouldn't be your only source of potassium. Now let's move on to a wonderfully creamy and luxurious source of potassium, the avocado. Avocados have become incredibly popular in recent years, and for good reason. A single avocado can contain more potassium than a banana, making it a true superstar for hydration. What makes avocados particularly special is that they also provide a generous dose of healthy monounsaturated fats. These fats are essential for building strong, healthy cell membranes. Remember our analogy of the cell being a house. The cell membrane is the walls and the door of that house. If the walls are weak and brittle, the house is not very secure. The healthy fats from avocados help to build strong, supple cell membranes that can effectively hold water inside the cell once the potassium has let it in. So you're not just unlocking the door, you are reinforcing the entire structure. This combination of potassium and healthy fats is a powerful recipe for supple, moisturized skin. Think of it as moisturizing your skin from the inside out. The fats help to maintain your skin's natural oil barrier, preventing water loss from the surface, while the potassium ensures your cells are hydrated from deep within. It's a comprehensive approach. Adding half an avocado to your salad, mashing it on a piece of whole grain toast, or blending it into a smoothie adds a creamy texture and a huge boost of skin hydrating nutrients. I hope you're seeing how many delicious options there are. If you're finding these ideas helpful so far, please do me a quick favor and tap the thumbs up button. It really helps our video reach other seniors who might be feeling frustrated with their dry skin and don't know about this electrolyte secret. It's a small click for you, but it makes a big difference for our community. And if you haven't yet, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on part 2 of this discussion, where we'll talk about the second crucial key, magnesium. Now for our final potassium-rich food, I want to highlight an unsung hero, one that sits quietly in the pantry, but packs an astonishing amount of this vital mineral. I'm talking about white beans. Beans like cannellini or navy beans are nutritional powerhouses. A single cup of cooked white beans can provide a massive amount of your daily potassium, often more than any of the other foods we've mentioned. They're a fantastic, affordable, and plant-based way to supercharge your hydration. Imagine you've had a salty meal. You might feel a bit bloated and your fingers might feel swollen. That's the effect of too much sodium pulling water into the spaces between your cells. Eating a meal rich in potassium, like a white bean soup or a salad with white beans, helps your body to correct this imbalance. The potassium encourages your kidneys to excrete the excess sodium, and it helps pull that misplaced water back into your cells where it belongs. The result is not just better hydrated skin, but also a reduction in bloating and puffiness. It helps your entire system find its equilibrium. You can add white beans to soups, stews, and salads. You can even puree them to make a creamy, healthy dip. They are a simple, humble food with extraordinary benefits for your skin and your overall health. So we've covered the first key, potassium, but remember, the door to your cells has two locks. The second key is magnesium. As we discussed, magnesium is the fuel for the sodium-potassium pump. Without it, the whole system grinds to a halt. Sadly, magnesium deficiency is one of the most common nutritional deficiencies in the world, especially among older adults. But the good news is we can find it in some truly delightful foods. Let's start with one that will make many of you very happy: dark chocolate. Yes, you read that right. High-quality dark chocolate, specifically the kind with 70% cacao or higher, is an excellent source of magnesium. A small square of dark chocolate is not just a delicious treat, it's a dose of a mineral that is critical for your skin's hydration. The magnesium in dark chocolate helps to power those millions of tiny cellular engines, ensuring they have the energy to pump potassium in and pull water along with it. But that's not all. Dark chocolate is also packed with antioxidants called flavonoids. These compounds help to protect your skin from oxidative stress caused by the sun and environmental pollutants. Some studies have even shown that regular consumption of high flavonol cocoa can improve blood flow to the skin, which means more nutrients and oxygen are delivered to your skin cells, and it can actually increase skin density and hydration. So, when you enjoy a small piece of dark chocolate after dinner, you can do so without guilt. You're not just indulging a sweet tooth, you're actively providing your body with the fuel it needs for cellular hydration and protecting it with powerful antioxidants. It's a win-win. Just remember to choose high cacao, low sugar varieties for the maximum benefit. Next up in our magnesium toolkit are nuts and seeds. These tiny nutritional nuggets are some of the most magnesium-rich foods on the planet. Almonds, cashews, and especially pumpkin seeds are fantastic choices. A small handful of these as a daily snack can go a long way toward meeting your magnesium needs. Think of the energy stored in a single seed. It contains everything needed to grow into a whole plant. When you eat that seed, you're consuming that concentrated life force. The magnesium within these nuts and seeds acts as a spark plug for your cells. It ignites the processes that allow for energy production and hydration. Many people who increase their magnesium intake report feeling more energetic and experiencing fewer muscle cramps. That's the magnesium at work, helping your muscles to relax and your cells to function optimally. This relaxing effect is also beneficial for your skin. Stress can take a huge toll on our skin, leading to inflammation and breakouts. Magnesium has a calming effect on the nervous system, which can help to reduce stress-related skin issues. Sprinkling some pumpkin seeds on your salad, grabbing a handful of almonds for a snack, or adding a spoonful of cashew butter to your oatmeal are all simple ways to incorporate these magnesium marvels into your diet. Just like with potassium, legumes are also fantastic sources of magnesium. Foods like lentils, chickpeas, and black beans are rich in this essential mineral. A hearty bowl of lentil soup or a delicious chickpea curry is not just comforting and filling, it's also a powerful tool for rehydrating your body on a cellular level. Often when we feel fatigued in the afternoon, we might reach for a cup of coffee or a sugary snack, but that slump could actually be a sign of dehydration and low magnesium. Magnesium is involved in over 300 biochemical reactions in the body, many of which are related to energy production. By choosing a snack that contains magnesium, like some roasted chickpeas, you're giving your body the actual fuel it needs to create sustained energy rather than the temporary jolt you get from caffeine or sugar. This sustained cellular energy translates to better functioning of all your body systems, including the complex system of skin cell regeneration and hydration. So the next time you're planning your meals, think about including a serving of legumes. They're affordable, versatile, and work wonders for your energy and your skin. And finally, we come full circle back to our leafy greens. Many of the foods that are rich in potassium are also great sources of magnesium. And leafy greens like spinach, Swiss chard, and kale are prime examples. This is the beautiful synergy of nature. Whole foods don't just contain one nutrient in isolation. They contain a complex matrix of vitamins, minerals, and compounds that work together. The very center of the chlorophyll molecule, the compound that makes plants green, is a magnesium atom. So as a general rule, the greener the vegetable, the higher the magnesium content. By eating a variety of leafy greens, you're providing your body with both the key potassium and the fuel magnesium in one perfect package. You're giving your cells everything they need to unlock the door, power the engine, and welcome in that hydrating water. It's the most efficient and natural way to support the process. So don't be afraid to fill your plate with these green wonders. They are truly one of nature's greatest gifts for vibrant health and glowing skin. It might feel a bit unsettling to learn that the simple act of drinking water wasn't the complete solution you thought it was. But please see this as a moment of empowerment. Knowledge is power. Now that you know the secret of the electrolyte key, you are in control. You can make simple, deliberate choices every day to truly hydrate your body from the inside out. You don't need to overhaul your entire life overnight. Just start small. Maybe tomorrow you add half an avocado